Nick.
Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a new video for you guys today, but before I get started, if you are watching this and if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Just hit the notification bell, subscribe, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up on this video. All of those small gestures help this channel to grow. For those of you that are rocking with me, I greatly appreciate it, so thank you very much. So without keeping you guys waiting much longer, let's get into my video. All right, so as you guys know, it is nearly almost very impossible to hit on any of the foot sites, sneakers, Nike, all of those. But the sneaker gods were on my side last Thursday when the draw happened for the Dusty Olive Dunk Low. I was so excited. I really wanted this shoe because I love the color combination. It could pretty much go with anything. Very, very nice colorway on this shoe. Nike did their job on this one. So we'll start here with the box. As you can see there, it is a 7 in men's, 8.5 women's. And if you guys don't have this and is thinking about buying it resale, like I said, we're a size 7, but this one fits really small. So you may want to go up half a size because it really does fit true to size. I have like no room in this shoe, and that was without a sock. But yes, it comes in your typical Nike orange and white box. There, as you can see, you got the little info there on the back. Nothing major. And it says that the colorway is Dusty Olive Gold. And I can't read that other one. Or I can't pronounce it. So Dusty Olive Pro Gold and Olive something. I'm not going to even embarrass myself like that. But here is the actual shoe, guys. Yes, as you can see here. Very, very, very sexy colorway here, I think. Very nice. The suede on this, guys, like when I opened the box, like you could hear the angels playing harps. It was such a nice look to see this shoe. To feel the swoosh, the suede that's on that. Gosh, very nice. And here, again, you have the brown suede on the toe box. You have the olive green here around the toe box. Here on the ankle, brown on the midsole. Mud guard here on the ankle as well. And you have gold around the olive Nike here on the heel. Then you have your orange sole. Very nice. I love the lace color choice that they picked on this. Very, very nice. Goes very well with the shoe. And inside, I can get this bulk of tissue out. You have the olive colorway there on the insole, and you have Nike written in gold. It looks orange to me, but the colorway says gold. But yes, guys, this is a very, very cool shoe. Like I said, got this off of Sneakers on the draw. I hear a lot of people saying how they enter their draws on Sneakers, and to be honest with you, I've tried that way. I've tried always, like when the draw first drops, I go as soon as the time starts ticking. I've gone midway through the 10 minutes being up. I've gone like maybe 2 minutes after the draw starts, all L's. And on this one, I actually went as soon as I got the notification, and I lucked out. Got my size 7 on this one. So like I say, guys, just keep trying. I mean, I know it's kind of depressing and discouraging to keep taking L's, but I can't even begin to tell you how many L's I've taken. But if it's a sneaker that I really like and the colorway and so forth, I'm definitely going to try and go for it. I'm just not going to not attempt to, because I definitely do not want to result in paying resale prices because they are too overpriced. So just keep trying. Like I said, I lucked out. Really wanted this shoe, and bam, it's here in my hand. So just keep trying, guys. But here it is, the the Nike Low Dunk Dusty Olive. You guys comment down below, let me know if you were able to cop this. If you are gonna continue to try to hit on sneakers and Nike and the other foot sites, leave a comment about that. What's your suggestions for people that's kind of discouraged like myself and they keep taking the L's? If you guys are lucky enough to hit, if you have any leeway on how people can hit, just go ahead and leave that comment down below. But again, this concludes my video. Again, Nike Dunk Low, Dusty Olive. You guys have a great one. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. Peace.